How to become Python developer. To become a Python developer, start with strong basics, learn variables, loops, functions, and data structures, and focus on understanding logic, not just syntax. Practice daily by solving small problems and writing clean, readable code. Once your foundation is clear, choose a path like web development, data science, AI, or automation, and start building real projects. Push your work to GitHub, learn Git for version control, and improve by fixing errors and writing better code every day. Remember, companies don't hire certificates, they hire skills, projects, and problem solvers. Stay consistent, keep building, and Python will open doors for your career rocket. Learn how real applications work, handle errors, work with files, and use libraries the right way. Start using frameworks and tools that industry actually uses, and don't be afraid of bugs because every error is a lesson. Build projects that solve real problems, not just tutorial copies. Share your work, learn from feedback, and keep improving. In 2026, a Python developer is not someone who knows everything, but someone who can learn fast, adapt quickly, and deliver solutions. Stay consistent, stay curious, and turn Python into your strongest career skill.